You are probably one of the leading authorities to talk about what are the HR challenges in the manufacturing sector. Like, how would you just lay the foundation for what those challenges are for us?
Yeah. Let's just talk post COVID, especially, but the US labor market is just really tight in the manufacturing industry. And I think over the next decade, the stats say that there's about 3.8 million manufacturing jobs needed in the US. And there's about 1.9 million of those that will not be filled because we have such a shortage in talent to fill those spots. Then you layer on what I'm experiencing and others in manufacturing is we have an aging workforce. We're seeing people retiring. And the younger generation, they're not maybe thinking that this is the most interesting kind of area that they want to come into in a manufacturing job. It's figuring out how do we get that next generation excited about manufacturing because it's really critical to our success that we have the talent on board that we need to do the products that we make.
Yeah, that kind of a labor gap. And it's just like you and I talked before, all the trends are it's just going to get worse. The
Yeah.
trend isn't that there's a big demographic shift and just wait, this is going to get better. It's going to get worse. And so we have to think about what do we do? And thinking about what we do is directly correlated to what's the impact? All these unfulfilled roles. What does it mean? What's the true impact to the company? Because then that places the priority in terms of solving these challenges. In your mind, what is the impact of having manufacturing plants that don't have roles filled that is getting worse?
Yeah. So the impact is on the bottom line from a business perspective, but also can have a ripple on impact to our customers. It's a critical sort of component of how are we going to address this gap? It is geographic where our facilities are at, and some have more issues and some have less. But the impact to me is the bottom line of our financials and meeting the commitment to our customers, which is frankly why we're here and why we're in business.